Friends, NTA has announced the advance intimation for allotment of your city of examination for JEE Main Session 1, which you know will be happening and starting from 21st of January. Then you'll be having your JEE Mains paper on 22nd also, 23rd, 24th, and the last day will be 28th of January. Those who have applied for the architecture, they will be having their paper on 29th of January, but you will be having a paper where the city of examination has been finalized. You can obviously check and download the examination city intimation slip from NTA website. But remember, this is not your admit card for JEE Mains. Admit card will be separately notified by NTA, and once they notify, then you can go and download it separately. Now, if you have got any queries regarding the city that has been allotted to you, so you can contact at this particular number, or preferably you should drop an email at this particular email ID. Dropping email, I feel, is more appropriate, so do it as soon as possible. So pack your bags if the city is far from your hometown, and do all the prerequisite preparation which you should be needing to reach your examination center. Sir, but we need very strong revision. So I have a surprise for you regarding that front as well. At PWJE English channel, we are coming up with 15 minutes of power packed revision of all chapters of physics, chemistry, maths for your JEE Mains. You tell me, if you pick a chapter of any physics, chemistry, maths, you tell me how many topics it will be having which JEE Mains loves. Less than 15. We are taking 15 questions of every chapter, all the probable questions which will be covering all the concepts. You do not have to go through the complete one shot. Just invest that 15 minutes. With that 15 minutes, we will be discussing 15 questions which will be covering the whole of the chapter. So visit PWJ English channel for all the revision which you will be requiring. So see you there.